Here I have Xiaomi Pocophone F1 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer. Let me show you how to open the hardware test mode. You have to use this code asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk. As you can see, the hardware test mode pops up. Here you can check version info. If everything is correct, let's choose pass. Here you've got the SIM card information. You can also go back and you can use here, for example, the vibrator test. So let me use the interval or the continue vibration. It's just decide which vibration are right now. You can also choose pass or fail. You can test the receiver. You can test the speaker. You can use the following mic volume test and other stuff such as the radio test, Wi-Fi, the light sensor, charger, rear camera, battery, and other stuff as well. You can also use more key and use some additional tools, for example the touch sensor, Wi-Fi test tool, modem test tool, proximity sensor. You can calibrate speaker and other stuff. Let's go back. Let me quit this hardware test mode, tap OK, and now let's open the Android testing menu. So you have to use asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. As you can see, the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can check out the phone information and you can read the IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength. You can also here use more key and here you can view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, or for example enable data connection. You can also go back and choose the battery info. Here you've got such information as battery status, battery level, battery health, battery temperature, or for example time since boot. Let's go back. You can also here choose user statistics and you can read the following information about your apps. Let's go back again, choose here the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select the Wi-Fi API when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. You can also choose Wi-Fi config when you can read about configured networks. You may also go back and choose Wi-Fi status. Here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi. So that's it. Let's go back again. Let me quit this testing menu. Now it's time to enter the calendar info. So you have to use asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk. And the calendar info pops up. Here you can read about the events. To quit this mode, let's use back key, and now let's open Google Play services. So let's use asterisk hash 426 hash asterisk. The Google Play services pops up. You can here read, for example, ping, connect, disconnect, events, or status. And at the end, let me show you how to check IMEI info by using the secret code. So let's use asterisk hash 06 hash. The IMEI number just pops up in front of you. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.